In this lesson, we will learn about the user update process at ITLifeSkills. First, we will go through the list of attributes that might be updated. Then we will determine the attribute update dependency, which means if we update a parent attribute, we must update all the dependent attributes. Next, we will decide which attributes can be updated automatically and which attributes must be updated manually. After that, we will finalize the user update process. Then we will review the CSV files related to the update. Finally, we sum up our lesson with the keynotes. As you may know, in the US, people may change their first names when they become US citizens, or ladies change their last names to their husband's last names after they get married. And when the first name or the last name change, it will cause the name or the display name of the user change, and it also change the usernames of the user, and also the user principal's name will be changed. And finally, it also changes the home folders of the users. And we know that when the username changes, it will prevent users from logging into their computers. And if the process is automated and being exploited by bad actors, it will cause serious disruption to the business. Therefore, in IT life skills, this type of change will be done manually at a scheduled time with the end users. In IT life skills, the description is the hire date, which is rarely changed. However, the correction may still happen. Users in IT life skills sometimes change their offices or telephone numbers. Some users get relocated to different locations and they usually change their job titles. Occasionally, their managers are also changed. When users change their departments, their managers will be changed and the log-on scripts will be changed to the log-on scripts of the new departments, and these accounts will be moved to the new department of use. As you can see, these attribute changes will not impact the user operation. Therefore, they are the candidates for the automation of the update user process. Here is the user update process at ITLifeSkills. It starts with a user or a manager submits a change form to update the user information in the internal SharePoint site. Here we need to determine if it is a name change or not. If it is not a name change, then the HR team will review and export the user information to the update users.csv file and store it in the file server for the update user schedule task to perform the update. If it is a name change, then the user or the manager needs to create a ticket with the service desk team to perform the update. The updated information will be recorded into the current users.csv file. Let's review the CSV files. And here is the current users.csv file. As you can see, it contains the information of all users at ITLifeSkills. Now, let's look at the last two users, Angel Stewart and Carrie Hernandez. And here is their information before the update. Here is the update users.csv file. This file must contain the sum account names of all the users being updated, and it contains all the attributes that can be updated along with the names of the users. For each user, the HR person can provide the values of all the attributes or only the values of the attributes that are being updated. For example, the HR person can provide the value in the description column or remove them since they are not changed. Here is the content of the current users.csv file after the update. Now let's look at the last two users, and here is their information. As you can see, Angel Stewart gets moved to the Human Resources Department with the title as Senior HR Consultant, and the manager gets updated to Ryan Brown. And Carrie Hernandez gets moved to the Accounting and Finance Department with the title as Accountant, and the manager gets updated to Edward Hernandez. Both user phone numbers get changed too. This is the end of this lesson. Let's read the keynotes.